What's up, guys? Today we're going to be removing my shock on the driver's side wheel, hopefully. The bolt that holds it in has decided it was too good for its home and decided it no longer wanted to be there. I'll put you down there so you can see, but it has, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but if you look, let's try to, yeah, ain't gonna work. But the shock's like right here, so I'm hoping that I can take out this little just move this little lino oval, and hopefully it's mounted back here, but I don't know. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to try to pull that out and see if it'll work or not. It probably won't, because that's my luck, but that's how life is sometimes. I'm not sure when this video will go up. I'm doing a bunch of stuff right now, so this may go up before or after some videos. But I just got the call back from the shop for the brake work. It was a big hassle. I changed a bunch of stuff on it and it still wouldn't work. Took it in there. They had it for 2 weeks. They couldn't figure it out, and I went down there and we both sat there and we were both looking at it and we both figured it out. So now all the braking is sorted out and it can actually stop now, so that's nice. Oh, and if you guys want me to do a review on these, I've had them for about 2 years. Actually, I've had this one for 2.5 years and this one for 2 years. If you guys want me to do a review on it, how to, you know, whatever you want, you know, let me know. But right now, I'm going to do this, and we'll be back after that. Howdy, YouTube. I'm going to talk real loud so I don't get copyright for the music. But yeah, you just take this little fender well out, and then there is a nut right there holding that shock on. I'm going to undo that nut, and hopefully the shock will just drop off. I'll roll the car forward so I can go get a new nut for the bottom bolt. But hopefully I don't get copyright for the music that's playing. I didn't feel like I'm gonna go turn it off, so. But that's my amp, Boss Riot. But it's a pretty good amp. It's pretty good setup. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that off. It looks like a 12 or 13, probably a 13. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that off and see if this all comes off. If it's a little shaky, it's because you're not in the little holder thing, but whatever, you know. I'm charging it while I'm walking, so. Alrighty, we'll be right back after I find out what size that is. Howdy, YouTube. It's a 13 millimeter. I had to use my impact, my wrench just kept spinning the thing because it wasn't connected on the bottom. As you can see, it has completely fallen now, so I'm gonna go ahead and reach in there and get it, and then I'm gonna go into the store either today, tomorrow, sometime, get a bolt that'll fit it, and the nut, I gotta cut that old welded nut off, and then so yeah. Whew. Pretty easy. Fender lino, one nut, well technically it'd be 2 bolts, but it's one nut up there and one down there, but mine was gone. So we're gonna be back right after this, after I get it out. Alrighty, YouTube, got the shock out. That is the nut you have to take off on the inside, and this is what happens. Let's flip it around here. This is what happens if you drive with it disconnected for about 100 miles. Drags on the ground, but it'll be okay. This is an old shock anyway. It's from 2005. It's the original one. It's got dents in it. It's got, you know, actually I should probably get a new one. Looks pretty worn out to me. But this is the bolt right here, the bolt that goes out there that holds in from the bottom, that either broke, snapped off, or sorry for that, but that's the bolt that either snapped off, broke, or something. But I'm gonna go to Lowe's to get a new bolt and a new nut and some washers to fit it. So alrighty, see you when we get to Lowe's.